Right, welcome back to the man cave again. So today we're going to get, after your input guys last night, we're going to get the wheel off this thing and get these bearing holes drilled so we can get these bearings mounted on this. Yeah, like a few people said, it's going to be stronger. If I just use the top two bolts like so, it is going to be stronger if I go diagonally. So we're going to come this way and put them on the outside. I think they actually look really good on there. So, as I say, let your eye be your guide. So we'll measure these up and they're about right. They are about right. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get a drill and I'll put a little pilot hole in there. I mean, this is relatively thin steel, so that shouldn't take too much drilling. Ha! He says. Shouldn't. I like that word. Shouldn't take too much drilling. Alright, we've got one hole marked. We're in the centre of that one. Centre of this one. Come on, get in there. Oh, that's not good. Right, there we go. I got one hole. Have I got a smaller bit? On a bit that's not skating around so much. That's got a hole there. This steel is actually a lot thicker than I thought. Alright, let me just get the Allen key and take this pillar block off, and then we can see what we're doing to drill these holes a bit better. So thank you for your input yesterday. It did help with the decision. That's one off. Where's the other grub screw? Round here, look. Two off. So we should... Oops, where did that go? Don't fall away. Alright, that bearing should... There we go, we're off. Now why can't I get that thread back in there? Right, we got that in. So let's now see if we can get our hole. This is actually thicker steel than I remember. I don't know whether this drill will go through or whether I've got to use an electric drill. Oh, fucker me, that is hard steel. And these are pretty sharp bits, if I'm honest. So I'm not sure why we can't get through this. Crikey. These bits are not even making an impact. We will have to see about how we can get through this. I shall have to see if I can find another drill bit. Maybe they're a bit dull, but I thought they was alright. We shall see. Right, I'll be back in a second. Right, I've tried some new bits and we seem to have found bits that will go through. I reckon these bits here, they're donkey's years old, they're probably a bit dull. Might need to invest in a new set. So I got some holes in. We just got to make them a bit bigger. Whoops. Come on. Come on, don't grab. There you go. That's that through. Now we need these big enough so I can put an M8 bolt through. So let me get my M8 bolt. Where are my M8s? Here they are, some little ones in the bottom here, look. Is that hole big enough for an M8? Yeah, look at that, M8s go through. So yeah, they will fit through there. We could do with going one more bigger. And we'll go up a size. Just to give us a bit of wiggle room. That's better. Right, I'll need them for the other side. So now let's slide our pillar block bearing on. This will all come off again to paint, so there we go. So let's see if we're going to put our nut on the inside. Look at that. Is that bolt long enough? Or do I need one longer? Here are our M8 nuts. When I put this together finally, that could well be with Nylox. So let's put some washers on there. There's some washers, 2 nuts. And we'll see if these bolts are long enough. Oh yeah, they're coming through the bolt. Yeah, they're a perfect length. Look at that. Look at that. That's one side in. There we go, one side in. I don't know whether to chop these top and bottom pieces off or leave them on. But yeah, we got one side done. So I'll do that with the other side and then we're going to be, well, pretty good to go for this really. So that's a short video of what I'm up to today. Just getting this axle dry built. If I do any more on this little machine, I will record it. Whether I will or not, I'm not sure, because I've got a couple of other bits to do today. But yes, we have got this on. And it all seems to be working. So I'll go around the other side and drill and fit the pillar block on the other side. So yeah, we'll leave it there for now. And I will see you next time, folks. Right, bye-bye for now. Ha ha.